Hello, geometry friends. I hope you're enjoying this unit on parallel lines. So today we're going to think in reverse. Yesterday we said, well, if we know the lines are parallel, then there's lots of facts. But how can we prove that the lines are parallel? Well, let's think about the converse. Do we remember the converse? That's right. It's when we switch the if and the then. So now, instead of saying if the lines are parallel, we're going to say if some other fact is true. So let's look at corresponding angles. Same position, if corresponding angles are congruent. What about alternate interior angles? They also had to be congruent. Same side interior. Be careful, look at your notes from yesterday. No longer congruent, but supplementary. Alternate exterior, well, those were congruent. And finally, same side exterior, those were also supplementary. If any one of these 5 facts is true, then the lines are, you got it, parallel. So let's see how this might look in the form of a question. We will be given some information and trying to decide, are they or are they not parallel? Now the thing is, we want to reason. We could pull anybody out of the hallway to say yes or no, but we want to be smarter than that. Why or why not? So let's take a look at number 1. If I have this kind of a pair, those were corresponding. And what had to be true about corresponding? They needed to be congruent. Well, does 50 equal 50? I think so. So I would say yes, these lines are parallel. The reason why is that my corresponding angles are congruent. All right, number 2. I have a 78 and a 122. Now these, here's my interior, here's my exterior. These are same side exterior. And they were supposed to be supplementary, which means 180. Let's think about this. If I have 78 plus 122, that gives me 200. That is not 180 degrees. So do I think these lines are parallel? No, I definitely do not. My reason why, same side exterior is not supplementary. 2 more to go. Okay, if I look at number 3, I have a 131 and a 131. These are alternate exterior. Good news, alternate exterior needs to be congruent. So I would say yes, alternate exterior congruent. And finally, number 4. I have an 81 and an 81, which seems like a good thing, but what kind of a pair is this? Vertical angles. Is there anything that leads me to believe these lines have to be parallel? Do I know something about my 2 neighborhoods? I really don't. They might be, but they might not be. Vertical angles is not enough. So I'm basically going to just say not enough info. Maybe yes, maybe no, but I'm not coming to any conclusions. Have a great day, geometry students.